How do you feel about that?
Very, very proud of yourself. You know how you've rallied together in just a short time. You've made such a difference in each other's lives.
I feel really, really comfortable with knowing that there's two other people who are like me and understand me.
Sisters and brothers. Your children seem different. Their confidence has grown. They have become more empowered. There's much more confidence in where they walk, talk. It's like a way to spin this out.
Wow!
A lot lighter.
So how does you sing?
I just say roll your boat, just be down the
Part of it is letting
street.
go and realizing that
Yes,
they can't feel empowered enough to face these things on their own.
I think it may be very important and empowering for you to hear.
Go over there. I cannot see you in the camera.
And share with us that this is sacred land on which ceremonies were performed. You saw, yes.